Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I want to discuss how to index backlinks. Now, in this SEO backlink indexing video, I want to cover a few ways on how you can start indexing your backlinks, in some cases for free. Now, I want to discuss something first before I get into this, and that is, have you recently saw, or at least in the past few months, have you started seeing after making purchases, say on Amazon or eBay, or maybe another place, that inside the search results, you're starting to see these particular boxes, these special features show up just like the one that's on your screen. So it would say something like a recent purchase on Amazon. You bought this. Would you be interested in that? And why this is coming up is because Google is analyzing and reading our emails. You're probably wondering, Chris, why are you talking about emails in a backlink indexing video? Well, this all ties in, and I've been really playing with this for the past month and a half, and I'm really starting to see some great success, so I want to share it with you. So why I'm saying this, and I want to point something out, and stick with me, I have an excellent way that you can start indexing your backlinks for free, but it works better if it's not free, and I'm going to get into that, but it is fast when it works. So I just want to take you over here to the Google terms and services on their privacy statement. So I just want to go ahead and read this line for you. So it says, our automated systems analyze your content, including emails, to provide you personally relevant product features such as customized search results, tailored advertising, and spam malware detection. This analysis occurs as the content is sent and received and when it is stored. So, with that being said, for this backlink indexing tip, how to index backlinks, what we are coming to find, and this is how we are doing it, and this is what is working the absolute best. So what we have been using and what we are finding is this. Here is the tip. You have a phone verified account that is non-business, okay? On that phone verified account, non-business account, what you need is some relevant text that is relevant to the brand or business, all right? Include maybe some photos, but it just needs a little bit of text that's related to the brand or service or business that you're trying to promote, right? We're trying to index backlinks. On that page, it has to be less than 20 outbound links. 10 would even be better. But what we have found that is even more successful is a normal phone verified account and send it to something that's called a G Suite email. Now, I was getting these emails simply for building stack properties, but I found sending from a normal phone verified account, this is key. It has to be a phone verified account, to a G Suite, which is a business email, along other features that we get. You send it to the G Suite account, and we are noticing that the backlinks are starting to get indexed more and more. Now, if you are to do a small search, you will start to see that there are some indexing services that are starting to pop up that are capitalizing on this particular method, but it could be free for you because you have watched this video. So I just urge you, even if you do not have a G Suite, I'm telling you it works a lot better with the G Suite. But if you just simply take one email, a verified email, going to a different verified email, if you have another verified email, maybe in your wife's name or your girlfriend, but not on your computer, not on your IP, from one email to another regarding your service, there has to be some text, maybe some photos, and less than 20 links. I've tried putting 1,000 in there or 50, doesn't work out. But if you do say 10 or 20, and it's worth your time, it's worth your effort, because I'm seeing some excellent success with this. So stop paying these services. This is one of the tactics that they're using, one of the ways that they're doing it. And this is also excellent for local businesses. If you're having links or you want your maps or whatever the case is, you can start talking about the brand or business within an email. Start putting relevant content regarding your local brand or business in an email. Send it to someone else, preferably that has a business account, okay? Or business out to a normal person, but it could be all within your same group. And you will start to see that these links are getting indexed. So for the past month, I've been really playing with it, and I am 100% convinced that it is the email to email. And that is the best way to do it. It's completely free unless you're using a business account that you're paying for, which Google provides. It's a G Suite, but it's completely free. If it will work, you will notice indexation very quick. Maybe you have some links that are a little bit not as white hat as they should be, and you want to get them indexed. This is an excellent method for you. Give it a try. After it works, please leave a comment below after it works, or if you have any questions regarding this backlink indexing method, please leave it in the comments below. My name is Chris Palmer, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Thank you.